it's Sam. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I have a really exciting video for you planned. I'm going to be redoing my whole entire room. Now before anyone says anything, I did post a video in September called My Room Transformation, but I really didn't like the way the video turned out, so I took it down and now I combined it both together. So basically what I did was I kept some of the footage of me like repainting my room and everything like that, and like 2 things that I changed in my room, and then I took everything out. So out of that 18-minute video, I have like 4 minutes of footage from that video, and the rest of what I'm going to be doing today is actually things that I'm changing because I really just don't like the way my room looks right now, but I really do like the color of it. So I'm just going to be changing some things to make it more like aesthetic and everything like that. So I thought I would re-upload this video because now I will actually like it. If you guys like the video, be sure to give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Comment something down below that you are looking forward to in December. With all that being said, let's get into the video. Alright, for starters, that used to say meet me in Paris, but it's coming off, and this is the little overlay of my room. So it's very messy right now because I'm obviously going to paint it and it's just messy, but this is what it looks like. This is the wall that's staying just because it doesn't really make sense for me to take it all down just to paint it and put it back up because it took like days to put this up. This is what that wall looks like, and everything else is going to be white, even over here. So I'm going to take this down, I have to take these down and then move everything out. I'm going to do this like wall by wall, so I'm going to start on this wall and then work my way over. And here's my outfit because you have to wear stuff you don't really care about when you paint. So I'm just wearing this t-shirt and a pair of jeans. The first thing that I have to do is take everything off the walls that I do not want on the walls so that I can paint them. So that is what I'm going to do first. Now everything is off the walls, as you guys can see, and there actually is a little nick right here that we have to go over with the paint. I just have to move this desk out and then we can start putting tape on the bottom and get to painting. I just put the tarp down on the floor and now I'm going to put painter's tape around the baseboard of my walls. My hands are getting cold. I really need to wake up. Well, I'm going to be very honest. I don't know what I'm doing and I don't know if I'm doing this right. So we're making some progress. It's definitely going to need more than just 1 coat of paint because you can like see through the gray already, but I'm getting the hang of it. Finished painting, so this is how it looks once everything is actually painted. I think it looks really cool. I'll show you guys the rest in a little bit. Just painted this coat of the first wall. Obviously it needs about 3 more coats, but in the meantime I got these pictures from someone's Etsy and they are so cute. I'm like in love with the vintage aesthetic and I'm so happy. I'm gonna put these on this wall over here and have it like go behind my mirror. So this is the tape I use. I put it on the back of the pictures and it removes off the wall very easily without ripping the paint off the wall. So it's just Scotch removable poster tape and I got it on Amazon. Not sure if I'm done with the picture wall, but this is kind of what I was going for. I have the mirror and then all the pictures, and I think I'm gonna stop it there just because I don't think it's necessary to go all the way down and I think it still looks cute. Alrighty, so my vanity just came that I ordered off of Amazon and I'm gonna try to put it together now by myself. Just finished putting it together and actually it wasn't that hard even though I had to redo it, but overall I think it's gonna look really cute over there against my wall. I also put the stool together that came with it as well, and now I'm going to move all of that stuff out and put this against the wall. So I moved everything that was over there over here and I'm gonna put it in my attic and try to sell the things I don't want. But this is what it looks like against the wall. I think it looks really cute considering that that chair and everything won't be over there. and I think it looks good because it's on like the accent wall of my room, which I really like. Next, I have this like little shelf that you can hang on the wall. This is rose gold, and then this is just a wooden piece that you put on the shelf little thing on the holder. So I think I'm gonna hang it over here on that screw, and I think it'll look cute and make the wall not look as plain over here. Just so you have a better understanding of what I meant, this is what I meant, and then I just have a candle there and then just a fake green plant over here, and I think it looks really cute. Now I just have to figure out where to put this and all of the stuff up there because I'm not sure how I want to display it in my room yet, so I'm gonna figure that out and update you guys. So I have these new LED lights that I got off of Amazon, and it came with a little remote that you can like customize the colors on and everything like that, which if you want to know how to do that, I will leave a link to a video I made down below. But I'm going to put it all around like the perimeter of my ceiling just because I think that'll look nice. I do have them right now like stuck to my door, but I think it'll look nice like coming off the top of the ceiling, so that is what I'm going to do. Okay, so I just put the first little LED strip lights up, and it went around basically the whole perimeter, but it ended right there, and I got the 65 feet one, so I have to hope that the other one can connect there, go all the way around, and meet in the middle there so I can put the adapter in, and then it can go down and plug into an extension cord. I'm hoping that works, but I have a feeling it won't, so let's see. I don't recommend these lights at all because they are broken and won't turn on, but it's okay. I guess I'll do without because I do have these ones on my closet which still look nice, so I'm gonna leave those ones on my closet, and then I'm going to use these like curtain lights that I got off of Amazon instead of the LED ones since those don't work. I'm kidding, I fixed it and I think it looks cool. Obviously I would have these two be the same colors, but it looks so pretty. I finally completed doing the LED lights all around my room, and I wanted to update you guys and let you know that it did fit. It was actually perfect. It was just a little too big, so I just overlapped them. But I think it looks so pretty, especially on this picture wall, like the lights like reflecting off. So this is what that looks like. And now moving on to the next thing we have to do. Also, I think I'm going to leave the lights on the door because it actually looks really nice. I don't like that at all, but when my door is open, you can't see it, and my door is usually open, so I am hoping it doesn't matter. All right, so now I have these fairy lights that I told you guys about, or these curtain lights actually, and I'm going to put them over here. So basically in my other transformation video, I put up these pictures there, and I still like them, but I feel like I could put them somewhere else. So I'm going to hang like the fairy lights to go like behind my desk to make it more like vibey and aesthetic and everything, and then I am going to put those pictures on a wall over there. The fairy lights are too big to go on this wall, so I'm going to put them on this wall behind my TV, and I'm going to put the pictures back that I just took off the wall because I wasn't expecting them not to fit. And then when I was opening the fairy lights or curtain lights, I was like, oh, these are like really, really big, so I have to put them on this wall instead of that one. The pictures are now back on the wall and it looks pretty even, so that part is complete. To hang the lights on my wall, I'm just using these command hooks. They are the damage-free hanging ones, and they look like this, and I got these from Target. This is what it looks like once the lights are hanging down. I think it's really nice, and the only thing I don't like is this part, but again, my door is going to be covering it, so I think it's going to look okay. So for the most part, I think that this looks really pretty as well. Now I just want to hang this up, so I'm going to put this by my desk, and I'm going to use the same command hooks to do this as well. I didn't film it just because I couldn't get a good angle, but I did just hang up this wall organizer. I actually found this off of Lauren Doan's channel, so shout out to her. And I think Hannah Hannah Elise has it too, so shout out to both of them for recommending this on their channels because I really like it. But basically I just put some command strips up on the wall, and I put a stapler in it for school. I put Lauren Doan's journal in it, my 5-minute journal, these little markers that I use to make like to-do lists and everything like that. And I think it looks good because it's like there and then my desk is right there, which I personally really like. Alright, so everything is pretty much done in my room now. There's a couple like Christmas pieces up that I'm going to switch out once the Christmas season is over, such as like candles and everything like that. But for now, I am going to leave it up just because I love Christmas and I know that some of you guys do too. So that is everything that I wanted to do to like transform my room. And I will show you guys a before and after, and then we will go right into a room tour. But the room tour is probably going to be in a different video just because I don't want this video to be too long. So if you want to see a full room tour of everything that is changed and everything like that, give the video a huge thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below. So just as a quick kind of explanation of what I did, and then I will do a room tour in a different video. But basically I just hung these curtain lights up, and I think it looks really good behind my TV just because it kind of like adds light to the room. And I think it also looks really good with the LED lights. I'm going to try and fix it. I'm not sure what I can do to hide it, but I will try to fix it. But it's not that bad once the door is open, so that's good. Then I just have my dresser, as you guys know, which I did not change. Then coming over here, and yes, I lit all my candles because I love candles, but then coming over here, as we already talked about, I have my wall organizer, and then I left the pictures the same. And for my desk area, the desk was originally over here, so I moved it over there, which I personally like better just because I feel like it looks a lot better. Then now I have a snowflake in the window just because it's that time of year. Then if I come over here, I did already have this, but I did add the pictures behind it, which I think adds a lot to my room and everything like that. Then of course I added the LED lights on the top, which I love so much. You can kind of see that it overlaps there, but it's okay. For my bed, I left it the same. The only thing that changes like by season and everything like that is also that picture. I just swap it out for like the season, or if I have nothing for it, just like a nice quote. And then the photo wall, which I told you guys I was leaving the same. I really like how the lights overlap. I think it looks really nice. And then I have this over here. I love this. I love that little thing. I think it adds a lot, so I added that to my room. And all these plants, which are from Urban Outfitters, and also this little vanity over here. So I just dusted my room obviously too, but this vanity is from Amazon, and I just got like some little pieces like this and like this and like this, which I really like. So yeah,